In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a call to action link to a Loom video. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. Adding a call to action link to your video can greatly enhance viewer engagement and guide your audience toward a particular action, whether that's visiting a website, signing up for a newsletter, or anything else. So, let's go through the steps you need to follow. First, you'll want to open Loom and make sure you're signed in. If you don't have an account yet, it's really simple to set one up and start creating your videos. Once you've signed in, you'll see your video library, which is where all your recorded videos are stored. Next, find the video you want to edit. Take your time here, scroll through, or use the search feature if you have a lot of videos. When you locate the video that you'd like to add a call to action to, click to open it. This will take you to the video playback screen, where you can watch your video and get a sense of where the call to action would fit best. On the right side of the screen, you'll notice an edit panel. Go ahead and click on that to open up the editing options. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to customize your video, including our focus today, adding a link. As you look through the edit panel, you'll see an option that says Add a Link. Give that a click. This will bring up a new section where you can specify the details for your call to action button. First, think about the text that you want your viewers to see on the button. This is crucial as it should be compelling and clear. Maybe you want people to visit our site or sign up now. Whatever you choose, enter that text into the designated field. Next, you'll need to paste your website URL. This is where you want to direct your viewers when they click on your button. Make sure the link is correct, as any errors here can lead to misdirection, and you definitely don't want that. After setting up the button text and URL, it's time to make it visually appealing. You can choose the button color. Pick something that contrasts well with your video or complements your branding. It should stand out so that viewers notice it easily. The button's position is also adjustable, allowing you to place it wherever it feels most natural within your video's flow. Now, here's where you have a bit of a choice. You can select whether you want the button to appear throughout the video or just at the end. If you think your message will resonate better as the video progresses, choose to show it throughout. Alternatively, if you prefer to build suspense and want to reveal the call to action after your main content, displaying it at the end makes sense. With those choices made, it's time to finalize everything. Click the Save button to store your changes. Your call to action button will then be added to your Loom video. And that's it! When your viewers watch your video, they'll see that call to action link and can easily click through to take the next step you want them to take. It's a fantastic way to engage your audience and lead them towards further interaction with your content. If you found these steps helpful, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like. With this simple addition, you can enhance your Loom videos and improve viewer interaction. Thank you for watching, and happy creating!